I'm here to give a brief information about the urinary system, and it is for the BMS students, and it is BMS students anatomy of kidney. So let's start. Urinary system and kidney. Kidney name is kidney and quantity is 2 and place on each side of the vertebral column and position. Kidney's position is in epigastric, hypochondric, lumbar and umbilical regions. Shape of the kidney is bean shaped and dimension. Its dimension is length is 11 cm and breadth is 6 cm and thickness is 3 cm. So the left kidney is little longer and narrower than the right kidney. So weight of the kidney in male and female, we can see here. In male is 150 gram in male and female is 135 gram in females of the weight of the kidney. So color, the reddish in color, reddish brown color is reddish brown. And location, kidney extends from the upper border of 12th thoracic vertebra and to the center of the body of third lumbar vertebra. So the right kidney is placed slightly lower than the left kidney and the left kidney is little nearer to the median plane than the right. This is about the basic information about the kidney. Now introduction. Kidneys introduction, you can see here. Kidneys are a pair of excretory organs situated on the posterior abdominal wall and one on each side of the vertebral column behind the posterior peritoneum. So they remove waste products of metabolism and excess of water and salt from the blood and maintain pH of blood. So kidneys are also called as a renas, from which we have an objective renal. Kidneys also called as a nephrons, from which we have the objective terms nephron and nephritis, etc. This is about the introduction. Now external features. So you can see here external features. It has two folds, two borders and two surfaces. So first one is two folds. Two folds, you can see here, the upper fold is broad and it is in close contact with the corresponding suprarenal gland and the lower fold is pointed. So the two borders, the lateral border is convex, the middle border is concave and the middle part of medial border shows diffraction. For example, hilus and hilum. Two surfaces. The anterior surface is irregular, posterior surface is flat, but it is often difficult to recognize the anterior and posterior aspects. Hilum of kidney. You can see here hilum of kidney. The structure are seen in the hilum and the renal veins and renal arteries and renal pelvis. This is about the external features of the kidneys. So let's begin. So the relations of the kidneys. What is the relations of the kidneys? What are there in this slide is, you can see here relations common to the both kidneys. So upper pole, lower pole and middle border. So you can see here upper pole suprarenal gland and lower pole is iliac crests. Middle border is ureter and suprarenal gland. So posterior surface is diaphragm, possesses major muscle and transversus abdominis muscles. So relations of right kidney, right suprarenal gland, liver, hepatic flexure of colon and small intestine and second part of duodenum. The relations of the kidney is left suprarenal gland, spleen, stomach, pancreas, splenic flexure and descending colon and jejunum. This is about the relations of the kidneys. So now internal structures of the kidney. It shows three parts of the coronal section: renal cortex, renal medulla and renal sinus. So renal cortex, what is the renal cortex? It is divided into two parts. One is the conical arches, another one is renal columns. So renal medulla, it is made up of about two conical masses called as the renal pyramids. Renal sinus में you can see here, it is a space that extends into the kidneys from the hilus. It contains the branches of the renal artery, tributaries of the renal vein and the renal pelvis. The renal pelvis divided into 2 to 3 major calyces and this in turn divided into 7 to 13 minor calyces. Each minor calyx ends in an expansion. So artery supply, venous drainage and nerve supply. We can see here an arterial supply, one renal artery on each side venous drainage, renal vein, and nerve supply is renal plexus. This is about the internal structures of the kidneys. So now clinical anatomy. Clinical anatomy, you can see the disease of the kidneys. So the common diseases of the kidneys are nephritis, pyelonephritis, tuberculosis of kidney, renal stones, renal tumors, renal edema, and hypertension, renal failure, polycystic kidney. So in the surgical exposures of the kidney, when 12th rib is absent or is too short to be felt, the 11th rib may be taken as the 12th rib, and there may be chances of opening of pleural cavity. So the kidney are likely to be injured due to the penetrating injuries to lower the thoracic cage. So in the case of CRF means chronic renal failure, dialysis needs to be done. It can be dialysis need to be done. So it can be done as a peritoneal dialysis or hemodialysis. This is about the clinical anatomy and about the diseases of kidneys. So thank you friends. This is about the brief information about the kidneys.